If you're a carpet cleaner who's thinking of running ads on Google, stick around and watch the rest of this video. I'm going to show you an ad account that I just set up for a new client here at BookCleaningJobs. They're actually a brand new carpet cleaning business who just opened their doors about 30 days ago. So they didn't have a website, an ad account, a Google business profile, or any reviews, which means that if they can achieve the results that you're about to see, you can do the exact same thing with your carpet cleaning business. Now, one of the things I thought was interesting is that this client is already achieving an impression share of about 25%, which means that about 25% of the time that people are searching for high value keywords like carpet cleaning company, carpet cleaning near me, this client's ads are showing up. And they're actually showing up more often than some of the big franchises in their area. So this is really valuable if you're trying to grow a business, grow a brand, and book some carpet cleaning jobs. Taking a look at the demographics on this campaign, you can see it's mostly older women over the ages of 55 or 65 years old who are seeing and responding to these ads. Now, I don't recommend that you target your ads on Google specifically to demographics like male, female, or different ages. You could do that on other types of ad platforms, but on Google Ads, I do not recommend it. Instead, I would just take this as useful information. Now you know it's mostly older women who are looking for and responding to carpet cleaning ads. Another thing I thought was interesting is the device breakout. You can see pretty clearly that more people are using mobile phones versus tablets or computers to actually search for and find a carpet cleaner. So let's dig into the campaigns and I'll show you exactly how I set up this account. Like I said, this is a brand new campaign that we just set up and started running about 30 days ago. So these are the first 30 days of results that we've been able to achieve with a budget of $25 per day. $25 a day is a great starting point if you're going to run ads on Google for carpet cleaning. I don't recommend spending any less than that. If you spend less than $25 per day, you probably won't get great results or any results at all, and you might decide that Google Ads does not work for carpet cleaners. That's not true. We run Google Ads for carpet cleaners every single day here at BookCleaningJobs, but you do need to run a budget of at least $25 per day. In some markets, you may even need to spend as much as $40 or $50 per day as a starting point in order to see any results. Now, in terms of results, we've spent about $740 in the first 30 days. For that $740, they've received 3,000 impressions, which means 3,000 people saw their ads. 130 people clicked on their ads at an average cost of $5.71 per click. That's pretty good for carpet cleaning. Some carpet cleaners are going to see an average cost per click of as high as $10 or $15. That's not unusual. If you are seeing cost per click of $10 or $15 in your area, don't be alarmed. That is what Google charges per click for carpet cleaners. It is very high, but you can still make this work if you set your ad account up correctly and make sure that you are tracking conversions correctly. Now, in terms of conversions, we had 32 conversions at an average cost of $23.18. That is an excellent average cost per conversion for a brand new carpet cleaning campaign. You may not see cost per conversion of $23 in your area, especially just starting out. You may see cost per conversion of closer to $30, $40, $50, or even $60 or higher. It really depends. Don't get discouraged if you see a higher cost per conversion when you're first starting out. You need to give your Google ads some time to actually run before you decide whether this is working for you or not. I recommend you run your ads for at least 90 days without reducing your budget or pausing your ads before you decide if this is going to work for you. If at the end of 90 days, you're not able to achieve a cost per conversion that works for your business, then you could decide that maybe Google Ads is not going to work for you. But my guess would be that there is a technical problem that's keeping you from achieving the results that you're after. And it could be something to do with your landing page. It could be something to do with the way your ad account is set up. It could be conversion tracking. It could be a lot of other things. If you need any help with your ad account, go to bookcleaningjobs.com and request time to chat with us. We'd be happy to help you out. Now, when we talk about conversions, we're talking about phone calls and people requesting a quote. So on this account, we actually had about 17 phone calls, 8 people requesting a quote via a chat bot that we've installed on the client's website, and 7 people requesting a quote via the lead form on the website. That totals 32 conversions in the first 30 days. That's 32 new opportunities that this carpet cleaner had to book a job. And with average tickets of at least $200 or $300, this carpet cleaner should be making money on this campaign. All right, now let's dig into the actual campaign structure, and I'll show you how we set this up. We have just one campaign with a single budget of $25 per day, and inside of that campaign, we have 2 ad groups. One of those ad groups is a brand campaign, and right now, there is nobody searching for this brand. Like I said, this is a brand new carpet cleaning business. Nobody is searching for them by name yet because nobody knows who they are. So in addition to the brand campaign, we're running carpet cleaning ads. Inside of this carpet cleaning campaign, we're targeting keywords specifically for carpet cleaning. We're not targeting upholstery cleaning. We're not targeting area rugs or tile and grout or hardwood cleaning. We're targeting carpet cleaning. And if you're going to target those other services, I'd recommend that you create separate ad groups or separate campaigns for each service that you want to target so that you can correctly match your ads to your keywords to your landing page, which will help you get the best results with your Google Ads campaign. Now let's dig into the keywords that we're targeting for this carpet cleaning ad group. The keywords that we're targeting are nothing groundbreaking. They're things that you would expect to see inside of a carpet cleaning campaign. Things like carpet cleaning company, that drove about 14 conversions. Carpet cleaning, that drove about 9 conversions. Carpet cleaning near me drove 2 conversions. Carpet cleaning services, professional carpet cleaning, residential carpet cleaning. And then we've got some geo keywords in here to help round things out. So like I said, nothing earth-shattering here. These are keywords that you would expect to see inside of a carpet cleaning ad campaign, and they're driving results for this client. The main thing is that you send this traffic to an appropriate landing page. So if you don't have a good website or a good landing page to send your traffic to, and if you haven't set up conversion tracking, then you're really going to struggle to get keywords like this to convert into leads. So this is the basic account structure that we're using to get results for this client. They're achieving this with a budget of about $25 per day, which I think pretty much any carpet cleaner out there could afford. If this is something that you're interested in trying out and you don't feel confident building the campaign yourself, go to BookCleaningJobs.com and request time to chat with us. We'd be happy to set up a campaign just like this for your business. If you've already started running ads and you're having trouble getting your ad campaign to work, we do manage ad campaigns that you've already started. We'd be happy to take over your ad campaign, pause your existing ads, and create a new campaign inside of your existing account and make your ads work for you. If you have issues with your conversion tracking, we can fix the conversion tracking that you've installed on your website. If you don't have any conversion tracking installed, we can do that for you. I'm Ruben with BookCleaningJobs.com. Drop a like if you got any value out of this video at all. Subscribe if you want to grow your carpet cleaning business this year. If you have any questions about Google Ads, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to respond to everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.